I am from Gauras Maths. I am going to discuss question number 12. That has been taken from exercise 5.3, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. The question is, find dy over dx of the function y equal to sine inverse in bracket 1 minus x square over 1 plus x square, bracket close comma, 0 less than x less than 1. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I write solution. Solution implied that given that y equal to sine inverse in bracket 1 minus x square over 1 plus x square. You might have remembered the formula. Basis of this identity. Formula I remember, I shall write here. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta over 1 plus tan square theta. This is the formula you must remember. So here I shall write let x equal to tan theta, imply that theta equal to tan inverse x it will become. Again I shall write y equal to sine inverse in bracket 1 minus tan square theta whole over 1 plus tan square theta, imply that y equal to sine inverse in bracket, here I shall write cos 2 theta, because cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus tan square theta over 1 plus tan square theta. Here I have used the formula cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus tan square theta over 1 plus tan square theta. So in place of 1 minus tan square theta over 1 plus tan square theta, I shall write cos 2 theta. So you have got here implied that y equal to sine inverse cos 2 theta. Here sine inverse there, here cos is there. Can't be cancelled. Another formula I shall write here. Cos pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sine theta. This is the formula. On the basis of this formula, I shall convert cos 2 theta in terms of sine. So here I shall write y equal to sine inverse, open here curly bracket, here write sine in bracket pi by 2 minus 2 theta, curly bracket close. Sine in bracket pi by 2 minus 2 theta comes out to here cos 2 theta. Sine pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cos theta, it will become. So here I shall write imply that y is equal to, here sine inverse sine, both will be cancelled out. Here you will get pi by 2 minus 2 theta, imply that y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2. In place of theta, I shall write tan inverse x. So here write tan inverse x. I have written. Now I shall write differentiating WRT x imply that d over dx y is equal to d over dx pi by 2 minus 2 d over dx tan inverse x. Here you will get d will be conjugated to y, it will become dy over dx equal to d over dx of pi by 2 comes out to here 0 minus 2 d over dx tan inverse x equal to 1 over 1 plus x square will get. And now final result will be dy over dx is equal to minus 2 over 1 plus x square you have got. This is the formula. D over dx tan inverse x is equal to 1 over 1 plus x square. These are the formula. I am enclosing these formula in the box. The answer will be dy over dx is equal to minus 2 over 1 plus x square. This will be the correct answer of question number 12, exercise 5.3, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. Okay, thanks.